In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, a new course is making waves. Traffic Hacks Pro, created by traffic specialist Darren Langdon, promises to be the answer to every marketer's traffic generation woes. This comprehensive course aims to teach both beginners and pros how to drive unlimited traffic to their websites, offers, and links. It's designed for those in the work from home, crypto, home biz, and MMO niches, offering targeted traffic that converts. What sets Traffic Hacks Pro apart is its focus on free traffic sources. In an era of rising advertising costs, the promise of free, unlimited traffic is enticing. But is it too good to be true? The course covers a wide range of traffic generation methods. These include email marketing, traffic exchanges, social media strategies, and SEO content creation. This diverse approach ensures users have multiple avenues to explore. One key feature is the emphasis on automation. Traffic Hacks Pro teaches how to set up set-and-forget traffic systems. This could be a game changer for busy entrepreneurs who can't spend hours daily on traffic generation. The course also touches on using AI, specifically ChatGPT, to boost social media traffic. This forward-thinking approach shows Traffic Hacks Pro is keeping pace with the latest digital marketing trends. Priced at just $7, Traffic Hacks Pro is positioned as an affordable investment. This low entry point makes it accessible to a wide range of people, from curious beginners to established marketers looking to expand their toolkit. The course promises step-by-step video tutorials and setup instructions. This format benefits visual learners and those who prefer a hands-on approach. The promise of 24/7 support is also a significant plus, especially for newcomers to online marketing. Traffic Hacks Pro claims to cater to all skill levels, from complete beginners to advanced marketers. This inclusive approach is refreshing in an industry often criticized for leaving newcomers behind. The course includes training on setting up sales funnels, a crucial skill for monetizing traffic effectively. It promises to show live examples of commissions being generated, providing valuable insights into effective funnel structures. One intriguing claim is the ability to generate super engaged traffic. In online marketing, engagement often trumps raw visitor numbers. A smaller number of highly engaged visitors can lead to better conversion rates than a large number of disinterested ones. Traffic Hacks Pro also touches on low-budget solutions, valuable for small businesses or individual marketers with limited resources. Learning to maximize results with minimal spend is a valuable skill in any marketing endeavor. The course promises monthly updates, with new sites and strategies added regularly. This ongoing support could prove valuable in an industry that's constantly changing, suggesting Traffic Hacks Pro is not just a one-time purchase, but an evolving resource. While the promises of Traffic Hacks Pro are enticing, it's important to approach them with a critical eye. Sustainable traffic generation often requires ongoing effort, and, in many cases, some financial investment. The course's emphasis on multiple traffic sources is a smart approach. Diversifying traffic sources can help protect against sudden changes in any one platform or method, making for a more robust and sustainable traffic strategy. In conclusion, Traffic Hacks Pro presents an intriguing offer for anyone looking to improve their traffic generation skills. Its comprehensive approach, covering multiple traffic sources and strategies, could provide valuable insights for marketers at various skill levels. However, as with any marketing course, it's important to set realistic expectations. While the strategies taught in Traffic Hacks Pro may be effective, success in digital marketing often requires consistent effort, testing, and optimization. For those considering Traffic Hacks Pro, it could be a worthwhile investment, particularly at its current price point. The combination of video tutorials, live examples, and ongoing support suggests real value. However, buyers should be prepared to put in the work to implement the strategies taught and to continue learning as the digital marketing landscape evolves. Thanks for watching.